Hello everybody. So right here I'm gonna be coloring a picture of a boat, or yeah, it's a boat. And you can see this is the picture. So there's a lot of blue to do, I guess. And this is the previous picture where I just messed up the page a lot. This looks really satisfying. I think this is my favorite picture, most favorite one. I guess the first one. Okay, so right here I have my markers I used previously, and then I have also got oil pastels for the water. This is a new set of oil pastel. My old set, the blue colors are like blend. They're fully gone. By coloring so much of blue in these pictures, you can see there's so much of blue. Where else have I used? Yeah, this one, then this one. There's a lot of blue. So now I have a new set of oil pastels. But first I'll be using markers. So let's have a look at the oil pastels. I don't know what's mixing. Color manage. I don't know. Magic. It's pretty weird. I don't know where this bird from. It's not very big. It just has 12 colors, not 25. So let's open this up. Okay. So it is pretty cool. It is good. Let's see what all it has with it. I wonder. It's pretty cool. It has assorted shades. It's cool. Cover the paper surface with yellow shade of oil pastel and then overlay it with red. Apply pressure and cover this area completely with a layer of blue oil pastel. Scrap out the image using the scrapping tool provided with this pack. This result is blue image with variation in pressure. Yellow or red will be seen more prominently. Okay. Camel oil pastels are smoother to use and richer, deeper in color. I am not sure what they were. There's something easily to surfaces like textured paper, sketching paper, or even smooth tinted paper. Apart from painting and sketching, you can experiment with oil pastels by using them as background. Okay. But they've not put what all with. Is it with? Not suitable for children under 3 years. Yeah, they put that all the time. But I'm not so small. I'm not below 3 years. I'm more than 3 years. Then I'll not be knowing all this. Let's put name, class, and all. This also has a scrapping tool. Here are the oil pastels. So this is the scrapping tool. It's a camel. Let's put camel here. I don't know if you can see. These are all the red colors. We have red, orange, peach, yellow, green, dark green, blue, dark blue, purple, white, brown, and black. Okay, now let's focus on the picture, not on the colors. So first I'm going to color the boat. Let's do here. 13. Oh, I don't want to start off with brown. I want to do a bright color. Maybe let's do from the flag. Okay, so it looks like in the flag we have to do red, dark orange, orange, and yellow. Okay, now I'm going to be using the markers. So first let's do the red place. So over here, let's put one here. Here are my markers. So last Friday it was my first time showing you guys these markers. And right here on the edge also. I mean, it's not my first time using it. I already used it 1 week back. This is the first time you guys are seeing it. Okay, put this back in the box. Now, 2 and 3, I'm going to do the same. Oops. Okay. Let's see how long this will take, because last Friday and 2 weeks back, it became 30 minutes video. There was like so much to color. Can't believe it. My videos are long videos, so you guys will like it. Next, yellow. Oops. Am I so clumsy today? Okay, and yellow for. Okay, here's the yellow. I like using the markers more. Okay, the flag part is over. Kinda got a bad stick out. Now let me do brown. So let's get the brown marker out. In some places we have to do red and orange. So we'll just put 15 and 14. I'm doing the same brown. These markers I'm using are pretty old stock, but they still work like a new stock because nobody has used them. But still some things can drain, even if you didn't use it. If it's very old, it will dry off. Whether it's closed or open. Okay, I see I have to put red here. Okay, let's not mix it with brown. It should not blend it, or else it won't look nice. Okay. Oops. Ugh, why am I not able to fit in the markers properly in the box? Quickly, orange. And I just noticed I have to do brown on the boat. Brown and orange on the boat. First, I prefer to do orange because you guys know it's already my favorite color. There is more brown to do, but orange is less. So you can see in the design parts it's put 3, and in other ways it's brown. The orange looks pretty satisfying. It's actually orange, not red. The tip might look red, but you can see this is orange. It's clearly orange. Such a cool orange. It's really satisfying in front of my eyes. I don't know about you guys. Wait, it's satisfying for my eyes. I don't know about you guys. It's rhyming. Yeah, it is really cool. It'll be cool for you guys too. Oops. It's okay if I put brown, it won't be seen. Satisfying. You know, filling and stuff are most satisfying stuff. Here. Then no more orange to do. I'm totally freaking out because of the blue part. You know, maybe I might do dark blue. But light blue I already used for the house, so I don't think I really want to use that. Let's see where else let's put orange. We can just finish up the orange part and then move on to brown part. Okay, so we need to do here. Try to be careful, it's alternate. Let's see where else. Yep, there's a lot of orange to do. I think I'll name this book as a blue book. Because we have to do blue everywhere. Oh no, I totally forgot about next picture. So much of blue is there to do. The whole picture is almost blue. How do I color that? Next for this picture. All this part is blue. But in some parts it's left white. But what's the use? Some part we have to do orange also. I'm not saying orange anymore. And this is a whale. Okay, let's focus more on this picture. We will focus on that picture next Friday. So this is what I'm doing next Friday. It's coming Friday. That's a lot of orange actually. My favorite color. Anywhere else, the orange is never gonna have an end. This side also, we have to do starting off with orange only. Okay, I'm gonna keep like this for easiness. 2 orange. It's actually dark orange. Now here 3 I can see. Then here 2 again. All the oranges are alternate. Every color is alternate. Oh, all the way here now. I don't know why orange is my favorite color. I just like it. It's a good color too. Now it's down here again. Then here. And then finally I'll be done with orange. Well, just because orange is my favorite color, that doesn't mean I cannot get mad when it is like too much headache. Like everything should be equal. It should not be too much. Well, too less is okay for me, but too much I can't. All the marker ink is waste. Like I will get mad. I just won't care. It's just because it's my favorite color. I will care, but I'll get mad also. I forgot here. Now we will do yellow and red. And then you'll do blue. I think this video will get over pretty quick. Put the orange in the box. Oops. Oh. And now we'll remove red. Red is also pretty cool, but I don't know, it's just not my favorite color. Red is the first color of the rainbow. First part red done. Next, over here it's alternate. Guys, you know I am the best coloring person. You can see in the community comment that somebody has commented that I am the best coloring person. If you guys want to see my video and want to mostly see my video, please subscribe it. Please press like also, and then you will get more videos because my videos are good. Also, I need a lot of viewership. So guys, whenever you find it, if you have ever found out my channel, please try to watch it. I'm just telling you, a new video will be uploaded every Friday. Okay, I just totally forgot that here it's there. I color good with markers or color pencils or crayons, but only with oil pastels. Anyone can color it by getting it out. Even people who are coloring teachers can get it out. Nobody's perfect. Humans aren't perfect. People in heaven are only perfect. Okay, now only yellow. So let me take off the yellow marker from the box. Okay. Let's do from this side first. I think the yellow looks a bit greenish. I'm holding it like this because the marker tip is slanting. Okay, this video has already reached 15 minutes. Now here this side. Okay, now we'll do brown. So let's remove the brown marker. Well, this marker actually looks like a cream bottle. That's the shape of it. And this is a marker. It's a bold marker. Okay, if we do brown and then we're done with the boat. And then we just need to do the water, but so much of a bagger, we have to leave it to wait. But I don't want to do blue. Blue already is the water. The 14 is actually brown, but I'm doing dark brown there instead. If it was like a 21st, that would be perfect. But they're expecting light green, green, and dark green. In the 21st set, it is green, and light green, dark green, and teal. It's not really just green. So I don't think they keep anything that's just green. I don't think that's possible. Well, maybe it's possible, I don't know. Maybe in a 48 set marker they'll keep. Well, I've not seen any 48 set marker. I've just seen some pens, that's it. Means they're not thick like markers. Okay, we're done with the boat. Now we have to do this water. I'll just do the dark blue parts using the markers. Let's see. Okay. I don't think water has dark blue, but water is not even having any color. Water is not blue. If you see in pools, it will look blue because the pool is only blue color. The water is actually having no color. Water is just clear. They'll just do this maybe for fun. That's a lot of blue. Okay. Mostly they're expecting us to use color pencils if there's so much to do. That is satisfying. Okay, I'm done with the 6th part. Oh, I forgot. I can see it's put 15. So there's more brown left here. Okay, seriously, there's so much of blue, like blue. Well, I think I can do in the 8th part using marker. Maybe 7th part I'll use the oil pastel. Oh no, wait, there's one more part. Dark blue. Here. Okay, now I shouldn't see any 6 parts. I only want to see 7 and 8. Okay, wait, is 7 more or 8 more? I'm having a feeling only 7 is more. Okay. I'm pretty sure this blue marker will lead it over first. It is satisfying with markers only. Markers are pretty satisfying the most. I think they're the most satisfying. But I for sure know this marker will only drain first. Because there's so much blue to do. Mainly they're doing only blue. I'm worried about next Friday's picture. Maybe I should skip out and not do that. I should do it in my own way. I'm not gonna skip it, I'm just kidding, but I have to show you guys in one way. I should try not to skip it. I have to try doing everything. Well, maybe if you color on both sides of the paper, especially using markers, after you color, you might feel like the paper is like a cloth, but it's not cloth. The markers have just made the paper wet. It's the ink. Okay, this is the last 8 part. And then after I do 7, then I'm done with the pic. Oh no, there's an insect over here. It's gonna come on the book. Actually, I think there are some book insects. So it looks like 8 was only more. Now time to open the oil pastel. So here's the oil pastel. Let me just do like this. I don't want the oil pastel to be flat. Anyways, that's what is gonna happen. These ones are new. Well, the coloring took a pretty long time. It's already 25 minutes. But the coloring amount is very less. So I don't need to do hair and means work. It's not such a colorful picture. It needs to have full of colors. That's what we call the coloring book. Okay. I'm not sure if I want to do there and all color. I've not done that. Okay, well, in that case, I'm all finished. Okay, I'm having a feeling that this is not my favorite picture. Let me see if this is my least favorite or the cup is my least favorite. A teacup. Well, at least it has border designs. I guess I ranked them both last. But that doesn't mean the picture is bad. Don't you guys think it's still pretty cool? The boat is pretty colorful, only having red, orange, and yellow, and brown. And the water, it's light blue, blue, and dark blue. Let me just fill in a bit of colors here, because it's looking like very dark. I mean very light, not dark. This part really looks a lot dark. Okay, I don't want this video to reach 30 minutes. Okay, so this is the next Friday's picture. And this after the next Friday, and then after the other Friday, and then this is the last picture. The butterfly, I'm pretty sure this is gonna take, I think, 40 minutes, more than half an hour. I don't think so. So this video is also pretty cool. Let's have a look at this picture. I don't know if it will take ages to do this. Maybe it will be okay. It's just a really big butterfly. There are all the colors. I think one of all colors. Yeah, I can see 17 gray also. But all the pictures have colors so far are pretty cool. I love them. This also I don't like much. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of coloring this boat sailing on the water. Don't forget to subscribe. Please like and watch the video. Bye. New video will be uploaded every Friday.